In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. If you've ever started typing in the Instagram search bar and seen old or embarrassing searches pop up, this walkthrough will show you how to clear them properly so you can start fresh. First, open Instagram and make sure you're on your main home dashboard. This is the screen where you see your feed of posts from people you follow. If you're somewhere else in the app, like your profile or Reels, just tap the home icon at the bottom so you're on the main homepage before we continue. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and tap on that. This opens a side menu with various options related to your account and app settings. From this menu, tap on Settings. This is where you control most of your Instagram preferences, privacy, and account options. We're going to dig a bit deeper into these to find where your search history is stored. Inside Settings, look for an option called Account Center and tap it. The Account Center is shared across Instagram and other connected apps from the same company. It brings together information and controls that may apply across multiple profiles, which is why your search history lives here. Once the Account Center opens, focus on the left-hand column. Here you'll see several sections you can choose from. Find and click on Your Information and Permissions. This area is all about what data is collected, how it's used, and what you can control or clear. Under Your Information and Permissions, locate the option labeled Search History and tap it. This is where Instagram keeps a record of what you've recently searched for, which is what powers those suggestions that appear as you start typing in the search bar. On the Search History page, you'll see an option that says Clear All Searches. Tap on Clear All Searches. Instagram may ask you to confirm that you really want to do this because it can't be undone. Confirm your choice. Once you do that, your saved searches will be wiped and those old suggestions should stop appearing when you type in the search bar. If you want to keep your suggestions clean, you can repeat this process from time to time. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted your Instagram search suggestions when typing.